Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bug on the application of AI chatbot Nova. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search for AI chatbot Nova. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Then we click on Play Store. You will search for Nova. And here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.